Okay, we're back. This is the 4th of July, and they have been busy. They have all this trim up on the outside. It's a stucco we'll go over. But you can see the trim around all of the doors and the windows and in the corners. And the drywall is hung. So we step into the garage. All the drywall up. They even framed in around the electric box. That's where the HVAC and everything will go. We're gonna walk into the laundry room. It'll be right here. We're gonna have a sink in the laundry room. We have a little pantry right here to the left. Then we'll go straight right into the master bedroom. And then we're gonna have a walk-in closet. And we're gonna turn left and we'll go right into the master bath. We have a couple sinks right here. We're gonna walk into our massive shower. Is gonna be right here. We have a shower head on this side and this side. And over here we have a water room, water closet. This is where our commode will be. And we'll have some shelves right in here. So we'll walk back through the master. And we're gonna turn left and we're going right into the kitchen area. So we'll have our range and stuff over here, refrigerator and stuff's gonna go over here, some countertop and cabinets. And right here in the middle, we're gonna have this massive island. So if we step into the kitchen, we'll look around here and this is gonna be our living room. TV's mounting on the wall. Our nice 4-panel sliding doors. And then this will be our dining room. So we have huge tray ceilings in the living room and the master bedroom. There's our entryway. And this is going to be the office or spare room. We're going to have French doors in here. Nice big window. And we'll continue on straight. This will be bedroom 2. This is a nice sized bedroom, huge window, nice big closet. Then right in here, we're gonna have bathroom 2. Nice opening window, the sink's gonna go here, the commode's gonna go there. Of course, here's the shower and the tub. And then we have closet. Or pantry, a linen pantry, linen closet, I don't know. Here's bedroom 3. Nice window, it's got a nice big closet. All right, now we're gonna walk back into the living room. And we'll go out these nice big doors. I love this big open door. And you can see out back, this will be our lanai. You can see they got the trim up for, where they'll be doing the stucco. They have the ceiling in the lanai. Over here. So yeah, there you have it. Lots of updates. This place is looking totally awesome. We're getting really excited. So there's a quick walkthrough, July 4th, 2022. be back with more updates. Thanks for watching.